it's already chilly in the morning. Same temperatures I had in at the beginning of this trip. I might have to speed things up. I'm already leaving Nova Scotia towards Prince Edward Island. The way I'm gonna do it is taking the ferry on the way in and crossing the bridge on the way out. Yeah, for once, I'm not late. Number 4. Okay, alright, thank you. Maybe I'll have some time for coffee. I didn't eat anything this morning. I just left. In the end I couldn't find coffee, but I found a map. You've got this Confederation Trail running through all PEI from west to east. Another decommissioned railway. That being said, on the logo I see a bicycle, not motorcycle. So if it's the same as in Nova Scotia, I will be able to jump on it and just ride it. Otherwise I'll find another road. This whole adventure is quite something. I've never done this, never done something quite as big as this. Riding is awesome. Recording it and editing it takes so much time. I've never handled that many GoPro cameras. I've never edited. I'm editing on DaVinci Resolve, and the first time I'm using it, first time I'm doing some sort of motion graphics and that kind of stuff, and also releasing 3 videos per week. It's really something. It was a challenge I wanted to tackle, but as I'm going, I'm figuring it's not maybe the best way I like to travel. I like to take my time and do some hiking, so maybe in the future I will change the rate of publications and do something more like me. I love this trip, but I'm also happy it's gonna come to an end. I don't have a choice really. I need to get back to work. The budget is not infinite. Still holding up. We'll see how it goes for the last leg. I'm also learning about motorcycles. I wanted to travel light, but this is not the best luggage system. I'm looking at it. It's not sturdy enough. It's not big enough. I'm not able to carry. I would like to be able to carry more food so I can camp more often. And basically it's almost cumbersome the way I need to fit everything in those. It's not the best. And the tent has been burnt. There's big holes in the tent since day 1. So I will have to rethink the whole system basically, eventually. This ferry is so empty. I guess summer is over. The baby is secured, but no friends this time. All alone. Let's get to PEI. Welcome and bienvenue to Prince Edward Island, a new province off my bucket list. How many now? Newfoundland, Nova Scotia, should I count Labrador? It's almost 11. Sunshine, I've got time. The big day is tomorrow. So, let's see the coastline. It's a good segue to talk about PEI, it's especially known for its potato production. Atlantic Superstore. So Atlantic Superstore is called Provigo in Quebec and Dominion in Newfoundland, but McDonald's is the same everywhere. We've got a boardwalk and a beach and a nice view. Nowhere to sit though. Let's investigate that building. See what's inside. A big empty area where you can gather and party. Ooh, tables. All tables and benches are wood plank. Great! I'm gonna eat standing up then. Is it? Everything's dry. Besides, this one isn't painted. Not many big towns around here. So, gas station food. I had a salami cheese sandwich. And this thing. Caramel something. Not terribly natural. I left Elmira's campground and I'm looking for the entrance of the decommissioned railway, and seems like this one is not for motorized vehicle. So can I go on it or not? No motorized vehicles. Really? Hi, good morning. Would you know if a section of this trail is, well, if the motorcycle is allowed on it? No? Not on the 100 kilometers of it? No? None? Oh, wow. Okay. Only snowmobile in winter. Right, okay. Because I saw the maybe the ATV tracks. I was okay. Well, I'll find I will. Thank you. Have a great one. I was going in the ditch, so that's I get it. If snowmobile owners pay a fee to use it, no, I don't want to mess with it. I mean, if there was a permit to buy or something. So no motorcycles allowed, right? So I'm gonna change my plans and go see some rocks and glass houses. Yeah, let's see if I can follow a road along the coast. The thing is, there's no road along the coast. There's no coastline. There's nothing, because everything is owned either by farmers or it's private properties. That's a shame. PEI, I don't really like you very much this morning. I just arrived in St. Peter's and I've been told there's a coffee shop, a nice coffee shop. Oh, I see it. Black and white. So maybe I can grab one and assess what I can do today. So the coffee is good, and I couldn't find any trail, so I'm gonna stick to the pavement and go to see that rock. I need to find that name, really. I really have a bad memory. Yeah, I might also skip Charlottetown. I have no idea what the plan is today. I've got no accommodation, no plans, nothing really. I might be wrong, but seems like PEI is a province best experienced on foot and bicycle. Let me know if I'm wrong and I'm missing a few things, but seems like my time on PEI is due. And one last church, and let's go. Perfect day to wear all the gear. Who said drinking was a problem? You think they serve alcohol? If they've got some bottle left. One final fill up until reaching the capital city, Charlottetown. And I'm gonna stop here. I'm facing the actual birthplace of the Canadian Confederation. That's where all the maritime provinces gathered and they discussed being independent from the crown. This is where it all happened. I've been told you can do PEI in 2 days. I didn't believe them, but yeah, here I am, not being able to do off-roading. I have to cut short of my time in PEI. So, first impression, seems like it's full of crops and retirees. Nah, I'm being mean. It's a good place, but not for what I'm doing. So I'll leave tomorrow, heading to New Brunswick, new province, and the last province on my list.